Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. This is the best fashion tutorials. Today I'll be teaching you how to make this beautiful neck properly without having any squeeze or rumples. So that being said, let's get right into the video. So right now, first and foremost, first things first, after you join your shoulders, make sure you iron it properly. Iron the shoulders very well, so that you get your shoulder line before putting the neck. After you've done that, you create the center line. That is, if you don't already have it, you make sure you create a line at the center of the clothes. Get your center line so that the neck will be at the exact center. Then after you've done that, you now go ahead to cut out your neck and dress out the neck. So right now, this is the material for the neck. You slant it by this diagonal. Make sure it's a proper diagonal setting, and make sure it's elastic. You draw it to know if it's elastic. You must make sure you must be using the most stretchy part of the fabric. Then you measure your neck and possibly add 2 inches or more to the neck measurement to get what you can use for the neck. So now I'll shape it out by 2 inches. I'll cut out 2 inches all around. So guys, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button, like this video. On this channel we only post tailoring contents, so hit the subscribe button and let's learn together. So right now we'll fold the neck by ½ inch. You fold one edge of the neck by ½ inch. So take your time to fold it. Make sure it's a straight line. So now we get our hemming gum, measure out the length of the neck, cut it out, and then we'll be fixing this hemming gum gradually into the folded parts. So you take your time, make sure you don't stain the iron with your hemming gum. Just gum the edges, just like this. It's not something hard to do. Take out your time, pay attention, and you'll see that this is the simplest neck you will ever see or do. Very easy to do, and it fits all materials. So right now you create a 1 inch cut at the neck place, and then we start the sewing. So right now I'll be sewing on 0.4, not up to ½ inch, but more than ¼ inch. So you maintain the same allowance all through the sewing line. So guys, we have a WhatsApp group chat where we post updates, where we discuss fashion related issues. If you have any issues on your work, you can chat us up there and we'll attend to you. So kindly click the link to join the channel, the WhatsApp group chat. The link is in the description below and also in the comment section. So guys, see you over there. So now we've gotten to the end of the neck. Make sure you maintain the same allowance, the neck sewing. Make sure you maintain the same allowance, otherwise one will be bigger than the other. So when we get to the end, we stitch. and then cut off the excess fabric. So now the second step is to make sure this hemming gum is at this side, at this front side. Avoid it turning around. So the next step is to sew it. You top stitch at the down part first of all, after which we'll still top stitch at the top also. So as you can see guys, sewing a neck is not really hard. Sewing a neckline is one of the easiest things to sew, only if you know the tricks on how to do it. Many tailors usually have issue at this particular neck place on their work, and the beauty of your native starts from your neck and your flap. So guys, pay close attention, and I want your necks to be very, very attractive and sweet. I fast forwarded the video because of your time. So I'm done sewing the down parts. I'm sewing the top parts now. Just the same top stitch at the edge of the neck. So after that, now this one is optional if you like. For me, I like giving some designs to my neck. Sometimes a straight line, sometimes a zigzag. So this one is just some circle curves like that. So whatever you want to do, just play around with your creativity here and make sure you get it right. So right now we are done, and then we are now pressing it. The pressing of the neck is very, very important guys. It's as important as sewing it, because if you sew it well and you don't press it well, you will have a problem with the neck. It will not still give you what you want. So you press it perfectly, sprinkle water on it, use a pressing rag so that your clothes doesn't shine. Use a pressing rag to iron it, and then I think basically you're done. You've gotten your work neat. Don't be in a rush when you're pressing the neck, please. Press it perfectly. That's the beauty of the clothes. So guys, thank you for sticking around to the end of this video. It's still your one and only fashion tutor, the best fashion. So I'll be dropping a link here to some other videos I've done. So click on it to watch and improve your fashion skills, guys. Thank you so much, and do have a lovely day. Bye.